Recently, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma had urged upon citizens to actively contribute to the preparation of the state budget for the year 2026-27 during a pre-budget consultation held in Shillong. The meeting was attended by academicians, economists, civil society groups, farmers' representatives, government officials and media personnel, where discussions focused on key sectors including finance, education, skill development, entrepreneurship, tourism, and overall development. Suggestions received both during the meeting and through online platforms have been recorded by the Finance Department for consideration. The budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will be held from the 16th to the 27th of February 2026. Highlighting the state's performance, Conrad Sangma said, Meghalaya ranks second in GSDP growth in the country and is the only state to record a consistent 10% growth for 3 consecutive post-COVID years. He also noted increased public expenditure, improved service delivery and progress in major infrastructure projects. At present, 15 externally aided projects worth Rs 12,100 crore are under implementation in the state, with 90% funding from the centre and 10% from the state.
Say that we are very good, but we are working hard and the team is there, and that's what these numbers reflect, that about 2,540 crores over and above the normative allotment for SASCI has come, which is a 50-year-old loan, which, as I said, in 2075 we have to pay back 2,540, or rather 2075 we'll have to pay back 2540, and if you discount that from then, it is about 100-200 crores. So that's the story of SASCI.
I would request government of Meghalaya if they can have some kind of a database in terms of remittances, the trends, the inflow, the end-use utilization patterns and all.
The land belongs to the Nokma Kangland, and some of the catchment areas belongs to the individual landowners. So to improve and to protect the catchment area, the catchment area must be acquired and compensation must be given to the Nokmas and to the individual landowners. And better protection should be done, that strong fencing and everything. I hope, sir, in Tura, under your constituency, there are more 10 to 15 catchment areas, but all belongs to the individual landowners. This must be acquired and will be protected. So, for acquiring of land, catchment area, that budget allocation should be done, sir.
Aspect at every level, so it goes in line with our thoughts, but you're giving it a institutional kind of a structure to it, so I'll definitely examine this. This is a very good idea, but then you have to choose the Nokmas who are agreeing to do it. The biggest problem is half the time they don't agree. Or for the matter of fact, the Dolois, or for the matter of fact, the CNs, so they have to all agree. The local headmen, Rangbashnongs, Nokmas. Our problem is that only, that half the time we're convincing people to come partner with us, and every time that we do that, the first thing they think is that we're coming to snatch their land, or we're coming to take over the, so if you can take that lead and dismiss that whole thought process that we are here to only take advantage, then that's a great step ahead. So I'll be more than happy to work with you. It's a great idea.
In the last stakeholder meeting, what is the outcome after that suggestion? When we especially mentioned about the pilot project.
Which one was it?
Pilot project. Remember, for the counseling of the students. Most of the chart you were concentrating on the schools, and when the NAC assessment comes, they pressure on the auditorium, on the counselors, and especially in the rural areas, we have very less infrastructure with MDC.
Numbers, but definitely the steps have been taken for the counseling, because this was something that, as you correctly said, that in many of the assessments, this is a very important part, and a lot of the schools have asked for that. So we have started. I don't have the details. I would request if our team can take a note of this and please ask the education department to please send a note to madam about what has been done. So I will